Hello YouTube, here's another item I picked up at my local Menards. We went to the big city today. $10. So I got this and a $10 flashlight the same day. We haven't even played with this yet. So this will be exciting. This will be my first impressions. I did take a couple pictures. I take them this way. You can always spin it around your computer if you want to read it. If you ever wonder why I do that, You can always spin around, zoom in. So it gives you what you want, what you need there if you're interested. I should give that up close, the number. And the blades. These were $2. That makes them 20 cents a piece. Does that sound right? $2 for 10. Heavy duty. Well, guys. You know, cheap, $2. It's the same brand as that. Okay, let's pause. We'll take this out of the package. We are very careful. We will take and open it very carefully. This is just junk. I had this painted once. I took the paint off again. If you might remember, I painted all them green and multicolors. And I'm going to give this one to the neighbor kid because this is just too bulky. And maybe you'll watch my video and run over here and get it. It's just too big and bulky. It's a Husky. He doesn't have utility knives, so I just don't like putting this in my pocket. See what it looks like? It don't close far enough. I sanded this down. It used to be blue. I was all scratched. There, you got to see the old ones there. One's going down the road. That's what I believe. If you get something, then you should give something away. That's just my belief. So we'll pause. We'll come back with this thing out of the package, and you get to review it right with me. Okay, we'll get you down here up close and personal. See, I like opening stuff without scratching it. That way, if you had to return it within a day or so, that way they could tape it up and put it right back on the wall. Not that they would do that. Okay. According to this, you're supposed to roll this back and get the blade out. I guess that's as simple as apple pie. And it shows right on there. Okay, what do we think about it? It's hefty. I will probably take the pocket clip off. I have no use for a pocket clip. Okay, is this liner lock? Oh, push button. So I kind of reviewed this on the internet. It says it's got like 5 positions. Well, let's just see. 2, 3, 4. Some people like them angled. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and closed. It's got some heft to it. I said I don't like that. It digs in your hand. Stainless steel. Well, ain't that pretty? I know a guy who paints tools and he's painted green and stuff in it. He knows who he is. It's pretty hefty. It's not light. I wish they put the weight on them. They say you get more percentage cutting because see where that's cut out. You know, they can brag that, but... I'm showing you guys up close too. Let me look around the camera. Oh, can you see the notches coming around? See it? Kind of jams up a little bit. You know they make stuff. It ain't gonna be. And I'm not gonna do anything but just open up and use it. I don't know if I could open this with one-handed. No, you can't. See? Because you have to press the button. But that don't matter. I mean, it's not a switchblade. There you go. I never saved these. It's gone. That's what I like. You know, like on your knife when you get up there? Because I whittle and do all kinds of stuff, utility knives. I'm just tired of using junky pocket knives. And this is one of my better work pocket knives, and I have one that there is no sharpness in the blade ever. You know, I'm tired of using work pocket knives out there to work on something, cut open packages. You know, I do a lot of work with utility knife, carving on wood and doing all kinds of stuff. So I think it is kind of pretty. So we'll take the handle off it, or the clip off it. There you go. That's enough of that. I'll leave you some pictures.